Information this afternoon on the fate of Tucson City Court's presiding judge after he withdrew his name from consideration for reappointment following findings from a committee review of his performance.
Our chief investigative reporter, Corus Nylander, broke this story and joins us live outside of Tucson City Court downtown with the latest on this situation. Corus.
Well, Sean, even though last month presiding Judge Antonio Riojas Jr. withdrew his name at the last minute from consideration for the Tucson City Council to vote on whether or not to reappoint him, it was ultimately the decision of the presiding judge of Pima County Superior Court to decide if he will maintain his leadership position while they search for a replacement. That judge, Jeffrey Bergen, sent me a statement saying, quote, Judge Riojas has led the Tucson City Court through difficult and challenging times for over 25 years. Although recent criticism has merit, it does not fairly define Judge Riojas and his commitment to the fair administration of justice for all. Under Judge Riojas' leadership, Tucson City Court has designed and implemented truly innovative specialty courts focused on improving the administration of justice in Tucson, including Community Court, Arizona's first municipal veterans court, homeless court, and domestic violence court. There are many other examples. These specialty courts would not be successful if he was insensitive to the needs of those charged with a crime. To the contrary, these successes reflect his commitment to innovative approaches that fairly administer justice. Judge Riojas will remain as the presiding city magistrate until his retirement near the end of the year, end quote. Bergen didn't say if his retirement was pre-planned, but Judge Riojas Jr. initially was looking to be reappointed for a 4-year term until we started reporting on those allegations that he violated DUI defendants' constitutional rights to legal representation. That was all stemming out of a report filed September 1st from the City Magistrate Selection Commission, which reviews judges' performances every 4 years. They found Judge Antonio Riojas Jr. created a court policy to not appoint legal counsel for DUI defendants facing jail time due to a staffing shortage in the public defender's office. That went on for about 4 months before being resolved. City Council member Paul Cunningham has been vocal against Judge Riojas Jr. and made it clear he wasn't going to vote to reappoint him.
I don't think it makes any big changes on the timetable. Look, the guy, as I said in the past, he served a good 20 years and he's finishing out his service. He was on his way to retirement anyway, so I think we're just going to move forward. We're going to try to collaborate with the bench as much as possible to make sure we get the best possible candidate as chief magistrate for the city going forward.
And the city is still searching for that candidate who will ultimately replace Judge Riojas Jr. The question remains who will step in to fill that role. It's a process, they say, that could take up to 90 days. We'll continue to keep you updated on this situation as we learn more. We're live from downtown Tucson tonight. Corus Nylander, News 4 Tucson.